So, ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to one of the most prestigious moments of Arohan 2025, the welcome of our distinguished guest. It's an honor and privilege to warmly welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Amit Singh. We are truly grateful for your gracious presence with us today. We feel proud to have you, sir, and we sincerely thank you for being a part of Arohan 2025. Along with our chief guest, we are equally honored to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Govind Malpani, whose presence adds immense value and dignity to this occasion. We also extend a heartfelt welcome to Mr. Prem Chand Gupta, our esteemed special guest. Your presence with us today is truly appreciated, and we are grateful for your time and support. May I now request our respected director, sir, Mr. Avdesh Tiwari, along with the esteemed management team, to kindly escort our honorable chief guest, the guest of honor, and the special guest onto the stage for the further proceedings of the program. Sir, please. Along with this, I would like to call upon our in charges and coordinators, Rihana ma'am, respected Vaishnavi ma'am, Yuvraj Yadav sir, and Nitin Khairnar sir. Every grand celebration becomes truly meaningful when it is graced by a personality who inspires, leads, and enlightens. Arohan 2025 is honored today by the presence of such an eminent individual as our chief guest. It is a proud privilege to introduce Shri Amit Singh IPS, a distinguished officer of the 2009 batch of Indian Police Service, who is currently serving as the Additional Commissioner of Police Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Sir's journey is both inspiring and unique. Before joining the Indian Police Service, Shri Amit Singh served as a history professor at Allahabad University, where he guided students preparing for the UPSC Civil Service examination. Many of his students today serve the nation as IAS and IPS officers. In his illustrious policing career, he has held key positions across Madhya Pradesh. Beginning his service as Superintendent of Police in Tikamgarh, he later served in Khargone, Ratlam, and Jabalpur, where he became widely admired for his direct and people-centric approach to policing. As Deputy Inspector General Narcotics, Shri Amit Singh led impactful anti-drug campaigns, taking decisive action against drug mafias and working tirelessly to address the menace of drug abuse. During the early phase of COVID-19 pandemic, while serving as SP of Jabalpur, his effective strategies in controlling the spread of the virus received national recognition. A huge round of applause, please. Known for his expertise in social policing, Shri Amit Singh strongly believes in community engagement, trust building, and youth guidance. Even today, he continues to mentor young minds and inspire them to choose the path of discipline, integrity, and service. Sir's remarkable contribution to law enforcement, education, and society makes him an ideal role model for our students. So as a gesture of a warm welcome and heartfelt respect, I request Himanshu sir to kindly present a bouquet to our honorable chief guest. To express our deep gratitude and appreciation for gracing this occasion, may I now request Anjali ma'am to present a memento to our esteemed chief guest as a token of respect and remembrance. So ladies and gentlemen, again it gives me an immense pleasure to introduce our guest of honor for this evening, a highly respected name in the field of medicine and a source of inspiration for many. Dr. Govind Malpani is an MD in medicine and a senior physician who has been serving our town with dedication and compassion for more than 40 years. With decades of experience and unwavering commitment to healthcare, he has touched countless lives through his service. At present, Dr. Malpani is serving as the Director of Medical Services at Swiss Hospital, Indore, where his leadership and expertise continue to make a significant impact in the medical field. We feel truly honored to have such a distinguished personality with us. Thank you, sir. As a token of a warm welcome, may I now request Sachin Sahu, sir, to kindly present a bouquet to our esteemed guest of honor. To express our heartfelt gratitude for gracing this special occasion, may I now request Bharat Dankani, sir, to present a memento to our honorable guest of honor as a mark of respect and appreciation. Now, it is the time to introduce our special guest for this evening, a proud alumni of Idol Group of Institute, whose journey truly reflects dedication, discipline, and determination. Mr. Prem Chandra Gupta completed his higher secondary education from Idol Group of Institute, Indore in the year 2015. After that, he pursued his Bachelor of Pharmacy from Smriti College or Pharmaceutical Education, Indore, and successfully completed his graduation in the year 2019. With a strong desire to serve in the healthcare administration sector, he further pursued MBA in Hospital Administration from Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya, Indore, and completed his post-graduation in 2021. His hard work and commitment led him to achieve an excellent rank in the Public Service Commission examination conducted under the Department of Public Health and Medical Education. He secured 11th rank and since 31st July 2023 has been serving as Assistant Manager at Jayaprakash District Hospital, Bhopal. His journey from being a student of Idol Group of Institute to serving in a responsible administrative position is truly inspiring for all the students. So as a token of a warm welcome, may I now request the School Secretary Ayushman Sisodia to kindly present the bouquet to our esteemed special guest. To express our heartfelt gratitude for gracing this special occasion, may I now request the School Secretary, Jayani Tikriya, to present a memento to our honorable special guest as a mark of respect and appreciation. And now I request the other members, the in charges and coordinators, to please take their seats. Thank you. Okay. The awards are milestones that recognize the effort, excellence, and perseverance. At Arohan 2025, we now move towards one of the most prestigious segments of today's program, the prize distribution ceremony. So we now begin with the Senior Wing Academic Achiever student who have displayed the exceptional dedication and academic brilliance. So as the names are announced, we request the students to kindly come on the stage along with their proud parents to receive their certificates. Ashish Vaibhav, 94.5%. Ashish Vaibhav. Piyush Solanki, 94.5%. Megha Goswami, 93.5%. Krishna Upadhyay, 91.7%. I request their proud parents to please step on the stage. Let us give a big round of applause to our academic achievers and their proud parents. Thank you, everyone. Moving ahead, we now felicitate our senior wing sports achievers who have showcased the discipline, determination, and sportsmanship at various competitive levels. So as the names are announced, the students are requested to come on stage with their parents. Shri Dubey of class 9th participated in Asmita Kickboxing Zonal League organized by Khelo India and won a silver medal. And again, there's one more medal, Vaco MP State Kickboxing Championship, state level. Again, Shri Dubey of class 9 participated and won the gold medal. Thank you. Veer Pratap Singh of class 11th A represented the school at the SGFI Baseball Championship state level in the under 17 category organized by School Games Federation of India and won a silver medal and a trophy at the state tournament. I request the proud parents to please step up on the stage. Virat Singh Rajput of class 9C represented the school at the SGFI Baseball Championship state level in under 17 category organized by School Games Federation of India and won a silver medal and a trophy at a state tournament. Okay, thank you. Anshu Solanki of class 10 participated in the SGFI Baseball Championship in the under 19 category organized by School Games Federation of India and was selected for the state level. I request the proud parents to please come on the stage. Thank you. Sarvesh Maheshwari of class 11B participated in SGFI athletics meet at the district level organized by School Games Federation of India and was selected for the state level. I request the proud parents to please step up on the stage. Next category, Kickboxing Championship organized by Kickboxing Association Indore, in which the following students participated. I'm calling out their names one by one. They have to come on the stage along with their proud parents. Mahi Barangek of class 6th participated and she won a silver medal. I request the proud parents to please come on the stage. Himanshi Nankani, class 60, participated and won a bronze medal. I request the proud parents to please come on the stage. Alok Kumar Shukla of class 6th participated and won a gold medal. Arav Jain, class 6C, participated and won a gold medal. I request the proud parents to please come on the stage. Harshit Jatav, class 6, participated and won a bronze medal. The parents are requested to come on the stage. Vedant Darkunde, class 6, participated and won a bronze medal. Model Sharma, class 6, participated and won a silver medal. Himanshu Singh, class 8, participated and won a gold medal. Kratak Solanki, class 8, participated and won a silver medal. Let us applaud to these young warriors who have brought pride to our institution. Thank you, everyone. Districts Kaleri Pattu Championship organized by the Kaleri Pattu Association Indore. We request the respected students along with their proud parents to come on the stage as the names are announced. Piyush Gandhav, student of class 4, won the gold medal in the fight category. Drishti Parmar, class 9, who has made us proud by winning the gold medal and bronze in the stick fighting category. Ruchika Tikriya, class 9, who has secured a gold medal in the fight category. Anjani, class 9, who has won a gold medal in the fight category. Aditya Malviya, class 10, who has achieved gold and bronze medal in the long stake fight category. Dipanshu Chauhan, who has secured silver and bronze medal in the long stake fight category. Disha Upadhyay, class 9, who has won the silver and bronze medal in the long stake fight category. Aishman Tiwari, class 8, who has secured a silver medal in the fight category. And finally, Siddham Jain, class 4, who has won a bronze medal. Aditya Singh Parihar, class 4, who has secured a bronze medal in the fight category. Thank you, everyone. 43rd Madhya Pradesh State Championship 2025, organized by Indore Corporation Yogasana Sports Association. It's a matter of great pride for our institution that our students showcased their talent at the state level and brought laurels to the school. I now request the following students along with their parents to kindly come on the stage. Avya Dwivedi, class 5th, who has secured a gold medal. I request their proud parents to please come on the stage. Arav Jain, class 6, who has won a silver medal at the state level championship. Tisha Upadhyay, class 9, who has secured a bronze medal at the 43rd Madhya Pradesh State Championship. Once again, heartiest congratulations to all our achievers. Give a huge round of applause, everyone. May these certificates motivate you to aim higher and continue a journey towards excellence. With this, we conclude the prize distribution ceremony and move ahead with the next segment of Arohan 2025.